In this video, you will learn about automated note-taking in Microsoft Teams using the transcription feature. I will also show you how you can hide your identity from the transcription. So here I am in a Teams meeting that I've already started, and we also have Ron Burgundy on the call. To start transcribing this meeting, we go to More Options. Then down here at the bottom, you've got Start Transcription. This opens up a panel on the right, and it will start transcribing what I'm saying. Across the top here, you've got a notification, and everyone on this call will get this notification too, so that they know they're being transcribed. And as you can see, it works pretty well. Hey Ron, would you like to say some words?
Hello, this is Ron Burgundy. You stay classy, San Diego.
So as you can see, it will also transcribe others on the call. Now I find this panel a bit distracting, so a lot of the time I will close it. And just to note as well, that the other people on the call, they won't get that panel come up automatically. If they want to see that transcription panel at any point during the meeting, they just go to More Options, and down here they've got Show Transcript. So even though you can't see the panel, it still transcribes. Now at any point, if you want to stop the transcription, then go to More Options and click Stop Transcription. You can restart the transcription at any point by going back to More Options and then going to Start Transcription. If you don't want to be identified in the transcript, you can switch this off by going to your settings. Then over here on the left, you've got captions and transcripts to stop being identified in the transcripts. You can only do this before the meeting starts, otherwise it will still identify you. To access the transcript after the meeting, just go back into the meeting appointment from the Teams calendar, and across the top, if I click here, there will be an option that says Recordings and Transcripts. So there's a transcription there, and if I want to download it into Word, I just simply click here and then download as a document. The document will then save into your Downloads folder, and you just double click to open it. If you found this video useful, then please click like, and to see future videos like this, then please click subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.